I've tested a lot of AI video tools. Some are cool, some are buggy, some are impressive, until you actually try to make something serious. But today, I found one that doesn't. It feels like a real filmmaking studio inside a browser. This is Higgsfield. Let me show you why it may change how creators make videos forever. Here's the problem with most AI video generators. They give you random results, no consistency, and zero creative control. You type a prompt, you pray, and you hope that AI understands you. But filmmaking isn't about luck, it's about direction. And that's exactly where Higgsfield is different. So, what is Higgsfield? Higgsfield is a creator-first AI video platform that gives you access to the world's leading models in one place. Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 audio, 2.5, and their brand new system called Cinema Studio. Instead of fighting with different tools, everything lives inside one workflow. If you can describe a scene, you can direct a film. So Nano Banana Pro, this is your visual engine. Clean 2K and 4K images, sharp text, realistic faces, consistent characters. If you care about professional looking frames, this is where you start. Kling 2.6 audio. Kling changes the game because it gives you video and audio together. Voice, ambience, motion, all generated in one pass. No editing software, no plugins, just hit generate. 2.5 is for creators who want to go bold. Stylized scenes, internet culture, celeb style prompts, and the best part, are synced automatically. The fourth is Cinema Studio. Why this feels different? But the real reason Higgsfield feels like a film studio is Cinema Studio. This is an end-to-end pipeline. You don't just generate clips, you build scenes. First frame, then motion, then audio, then final cinematic output. You even get camera and lens profiles, just like real cinema gear. This is the first time AI video feels intentional. A dynamic sunrise of a Nairobi scene, a young filmmaker stands with a camera on a rooftop. Slow dolly in, soft cinematic music. Choose my model, hit generate, and just like that, I'm directing a scene instead of guessing. So this is a difference between AI that creates and AI that lets you direct. So who should use Higgsfield? YouTubers making high-end visuals, brands creating ads, filmmakers testing concept, creators who want cinematic context without cinematic budgets. If you care about storytelling, this tool gives you power. If you want to try Higgsfield, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, tell me in the comments what kind of AI videos do you want me to make, because the future of filmmaking isn't coming, it's already here. I'm making still the Safaricom advert, but this time I want to make it different. I created a cinematic Safaricom advert using AI. If I told you that today you can create a full Safaricom style advert without a camera, without actors, and without expensive production. In this video, I'll show you how I use Higgsfield AI to create a cinematic Safaricom advert, complete with visuals, motion, and even voice. So, why Safaricom? Safaricom isn't just a network, it's part of everyday life in Kenya. From M-Pesa to home internet to business solutions, they connect people, homes, and businesses. So today, I'm going to recreate that same emotional, premium Safaricom ad style using only AI. To do this, I'm using Higgsfield, a creator-first AI video platform that gives you control over cinematic visuals, camera movement, audio and voice, and consistent storytelling. And with tools like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6, and Cinema Studio, this feels like a real film studio in a browser. So why Higgsfield? To do this, I'm using Higgsfield, a creator-first AI video platform. Gives you control over cinematic visuals, camera movement, audio and voice, and consistent storytelling. And with tools like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 audio, and Cinema Studio, this feels like a real film studio in a browser. Let me show you exactly how I build the Safaricom advert step by step. The Safaricom AI advert, 30 to 45 seconds. Cinematic, emotional, premium Kenyan lifestyle. Inspiring, warm, and hopeful. So scene 1 is morning Kenya. I'm going to generate the video prompt using Higgsfield. I'm going to use the Nano Banana Pro model, and the prompt is a cinematic sunrise over Nairobi city. Soft golden light touching modern buildings and busy streets. A young Kenyan woman stands at a bus stop using her smartphone. Hopeful mood, film-like style, shallow depth of field, small slow camera pushing, 4K cinematic. So the audio prompt, I'm going to use Kling 2.6 audio. Soft inspirational background music begins. Gentle African inspired instrumental, calm male Kenyan voice says, every day in Kenya begins with a new connection.
From sending money to building businesses, M-Pesa keeps Kenya moving.
So scene 2, M-Pesa in action. So you're going to use a video prompt. The model you're going to use is Kling 2.6 audio. The prompt is close-up of hands sending money on a smartphone using M-Pesa app. Cut to a small shop owner smiling as payment notification arrives. Natural lighting, warm colors, realistic Kenyan setting, smooth cinematic transitions. The audio prompt. From sending money to building businesses, M-Pesa keeps Kenya moving. So scene 3, home internet. The video prompt, the prompt is interior of a modern Kenyan home. A family streaming a movie together in the evening, soft warm lights, comfortable joyful atmosphere, cinematic framing, slow pan across the room, and film green texture. What is the audio prompt? From our homes to our dreams. Safaricom connects what matters most. So scene 4, business power. Here is a video prompt. I'm going to use the 2.5 model, and I'm going to use, this is the prompt I'm going to use. A young Kenyan entrepreneur in a small office using a laptop and phone. Digital overlays showing cloud solutions, mobile payments and data connections. Bold, modern, energetic tone. Smooth camera motion and tech-inspired lighting. With smart business solutions, every idea has the power to grow. Scene 5, community and purpose. Here is a video prompt, and the model you're going to use Cinema Studio. Where this is the prompt I'm going to input in Cinema Studio. Montage of Kenyan communities. Students using tablets, farmers checking phone messages, healthcare worker using mobile data in rural clinic. Emotional cinematic lighting, slow motion shots, strong sense of hope and unity. So what is the audio prompt I'm going to use? The voiceover is, because when we connect, we create opportunities for all. This is the final brand shot. The video prompt I'm going to use is this, and the model I'm going to use, a clean studio style shot. Safaricom green background glow. A modern smartphone appears with Safaricom app interface. Cinematic light rays. Premium commercial look. Logo reveal animation style. What is the audio prompt I'm going to use for this section? Voiceover, strong, confident. Safaricom, connecting you to what matters. And just like that, I've created a full Safaricom style advert using only AI. No cameras, no actors, no expensive studio. Just creativity and Higgsfield. If you want to try this yourself, I've linked Higgsfield below so you can start creating today. And tell me in the comments, which brand should I turn an AI advert next?
Every game cannot begins with connection. From sending money to building businesses, M-Pesa keeps Kenya moving.